How to install the mobile utility cart. Tools required. Hardware supplied. Parts supplied. Step 1. Remove all cardboard, packaging material, and clear plastic bags. Step 2. Carefully read your NewAge instruction manual and verify you have all the necessary parts and tools. Step 3. Align the side frame with the bottom tray and lower it into position. Step 4. Aligning the mounting screws on the tray, insert and tighten the supplied hex rivet nuts and washers to the side frame. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 5. Align the door panel with the smaller holes on each side frame. Step 6. Insert and tighten the supplied self-tapping screws and plastic washers. Step 7. Align the top shelf with the holes in the side frame. Step 8. Insert and tighten the supplied hex rivet nuts and washers to the side frame. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 9. Install the castors with the supplied carriage bolts, lock nuts, and washers, and ensure the hardware is securely fastened. Step 10. Aligning the mounting holes on the middle shelf, insert and tighten the supplied hex rivet nuts and washers to the side frame. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 11. Screw the remaining 2 hex bolts into the preferred position on the side frame and firmly seat the parts shelf onto them. Customize your setup by adding the included tray dividers, rubber mat, and parts bin. Thank you for purchasing from NewAge products and enjoy your new mobile utility cart.